We got a lot of response from our last video of this truck, so figure it would take just a quick few minutes to go around it one more time before somebody speaks for it and it gets away from here. A lot of people don't understand the difference in a truck like this and just a truck with a simple lift kit, tires and wheels, etc. A lot of dealers get a hold to a SEMA truck and just try to throw this astronomical price tag on it just because of the fact it's been at SEMA, which is cool. SEMA is an amazing event. It is the world's largest trade show for aftermarket companies, parts suppliers, things like that. But when it comes to a vehicle, it's not a movie star. It's made an appearance at a big show, basically, is what it boils down to. But a truck like this, where it's not overbuilt, it's still a practical vehicle, and SEMA don't typically mix. Most of the time a SEMA truck is just built overboard, and we're pretty proud to say this one is still practical because we've actually been driving it, have towed with it. Might have been the first person to ever tow with this vehicle. The hitch receiver didn't look like it had ever been slid into before. But this truck not only is just a 7,000 mile only Denali 2017 truck that is still under full factory warranty, but its build was clean, still is clean, and very detailed. McGaughey's as well as Fusion. I believe Fusion was the main vendor that this was in the booth for. It has all the Rigid Industries LED lights tucked away and hidden. Fusion's bumpers front and back. Parking sensors still in place. McGaughey's powder coated lift with face plates. Somebody made a comment asking what face plates were. Well, those are the extra pieces that kind of make that stand out. That's a trim item. I believe on this one it's billet aluminum that goes over the top. No extra support or bracing, just for looks, but it does make it stand out kind of in a two-tone form. This truck also has amp research power steps. The interior is basically, other than a dash cover, absolutely bone stock. Still has original airbag warning stickers. Still smells new inside, actually. Not a rip or tear, nick or ding on the interior at all. Oh, it does have an aftermarket sub under the seat with an amp. I noticed that when I turned the stereo on. Sounds pretty good. Bed cover. Inside the back of the bed is a bed rug, a BMW hitch, Fox shocks. Can't leave out the American Force wheels, Toyo tires, another Fusion bumper as you'd expect on the back, with parking sensors, rigid backup lights. Like I said, the hitch, I think I slid the first receiver in there that had ever been in it. Pulled a little trailer. Bed rug. Traction bars running to the back, support arms on the front. Factory emissions still in place, so this truck would qualify basically to be 50 state legal. Still got the ugly canister tank there. Upgraded control arms. Upgraded sway bar links. Upgraded hood. Headlights have been taken apart, color matched in the background with projection beam. Cab lights have been smoked. Beautiful truck. Again, this was a true 2000, I think they said 18 SEMA truck. Been indoor kept in garage by one of our very good customers. Traded in on a high-end item to us. That's how we acquired it. And absolutely perfect, rust-free. Can still see every sticker on the chassis. Yes, you can buy a brand new truck completely stock for the same money or less. We won't argue with that fact, but you will not have this truck, that's for sure, with these upgrades.